Proton VPN has a secure VPN that sends your internet traffic through an encrypted VPN tunnel. As a Swiss VPN provider, it has a policy. It does not store information about your connection, the websites you visit, etc. If you like this VPN service by Proton VPN, then click the like button below. First, log in into the Proton VPN. If you want to create a more secure profile, then click on Create New Profile. Then fill up the profile name and profile color. Now click on Secure Core option. After that, choose the country in the first exit country option. Then choose the second country in the second exit country option. Now click on Save. Now you are connected to a more secure VPN network. At any time, you can make the changes to this profile by clicking on the setting icon of the profile name. Make the changes and click Save. Proton VPN also provides you a shortcut through which you can connect to this server with just a few taps. In order to do that, click on the 3-bar hamburger icon on the top. Now click on Settings option. You can see an option called as Quick Connect. By default, it is set to the fastest. If you tap on fastest, then it will show more options here. The first one is fastest, which is the default option, and it works great. The second option is random. After that, you can see your custom created profile. If you click on it, in this case, it is text secure. It will be set to default. Now, whenever you open the Proton VPN Android app, you will see a message at the bottom that says not connected. Just click on it. Now click on Quick Connect at the bottom and tap Yes. This way, you will be connected to a custom server profile name with just a few taps. It saves a lot of time searching for the different servers in the Android app. You will also see a message at the top with a heading connected to TechSecure. TechSecure was the profile name I created. You can create any profile name you want. At any time, you can restore your original internet connection by just clicking on Disconnect option at the bottom of the user interface. This will restore your IP address to its original form. Now let us see how to save servers. Let's say you have connected to a really fast server and it is not saved in the profile. Then in this case, you can click on the Save to Profile option, which will create a new server profile in the profile menu. Here you can change its name, color, etc. When you click on the Connect option, you will see the connected status on the profile name. When your work is over, then you can disconnect anytime if you want to. Just click on the text at the bottom which says connected to a country name and then click on Disconnect. This way, the key icon on the top will disappear and your normal IP address will be restored to its original form. So this was the quick introduction of the Proton VPN service. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for future updates about useful videos. I hope this video was helpful to you, so share this video with friends.